Hi, it's Chad with Heirloom Farm and Forge, and today we're going to expand our apiary. Okay, so here's what we did. We just took some cinder blocks and dug them out and got them roughly level. I used the kind with the notch in the top for this side, and we used the flat kind for this side. What that does is it raises up the back about a ½ an inch to allow the lids to slope forward and allow the rain to run off. You don't want them perfectly level, you want them sloped a little bit towards the front. So of course we put landscape fabric down first to keep the weeds from growing up in there. And that's it. Pretty simple, fairly low cost. Now we're ready for 2 more nukes that we've got coming, and a hive that I'm taking over for a friend, and also if I end up splitting any of these. So we're good for 4 more anyway. Well, 5. You can actually fit 5 on there. It's pretty tight. I only recommend 4. These are 8-foot long 4x4 posts. You can get 4 comfortably, but you could get 5 if you had to. So there. All we have to do now is put some hives on it. And those are coming in May, I think, early May. So I think we're ready to go now. Actually, I'm going to put some staples in there to help hold the landscape fabric down. But thanks for watching, and come back and see us again.